Okay, Seagrove, Florida, day 2. I'm going to add on to the castle we built yesterday. I would start with another big mound, then pat it down. The weather's nicer today, cleared up a little bit, sun's out for a minute, so I would just simply add on. That's what I've done here. The castle heading out toward the sand. Make sure that you're always working in the sand that's between the wet and the super dry. That's the line you want to stay. Okay, well, I've added a simple mold on top. I put sand that was a little bit further out toward the water, not super wet, just a little bit heavier, because you're going to put a cap, you're going to put a new castle right on top of this one. And if it's dense sand, for this next one, take a smaller mold, put some sand that's not as heavy in it, that packs good, and simply put it onto a paddle. And then slide it over on top of the mold you just put on top. Now you just pull that off once it's on there. Slide it over, pull it straight up, and finish it with a trowel. Okay, you just simply take a trowel and push the sand right up on top to cover it. Once that's done, take your trowel, go the opposite direction, shaving it down. I'll do this all the way around. Okay, once that's finished, you can start cutting around stairs and just work your way down the castle. I'm going to start cutting the outside of these stairs away, but you don't want to undermine what you've just done with this lighthouse. Okay, keep cutting away, and always work from the top down. That's the right thing to do so that you don't undermine the castle. You can use stairs to do that. Just cut walls that don't undermine what you've done up top. You can connect them right into what you've done and not undermine the support. Okay, now you can build some walls that just give it some different feeling, or any type of design you want. Don't get hung up on it, and don't take a lot of time. All the different layers will make it look good, make it look like you have different walls. Okay, I've added a few more layers here just for some dimension, and now I'll take a big shovel and do some large walls around the bottom. Okay, if you clean up around the base, this is what you're left with. Tie in 2 big castles. You really have a cool castle in no time. Have some fun. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. It's fun to do, doesn't take long. Give it a try. If you like, subscribe. Good luck with the Sandcastle. God bless.